So I'm with Lee today, one of the spanner lads here at the Scrappers. Been a busy day today, Lee, hasn't it?
Yeah, very busy.
So, Lee, we're always on the lookout for good spanner lads.
Yeah.
You know, Tom, what we're looking for?
We're looking for someone that can take batteries off, depot the cars, take parts off for customers, strip wheels off, ready for depot.
So, just what is it like for a day in the life of a spanner lad here at the Scrappers? Just have a little walk around and show me around.
I won't lie, it is stressful sometimes, but it's very rewarding to be a spanner lad. So you have to have your own tools, and keep up to date on the part checks and stuff. But apart from that, it's pretty easy and simple.
So just give us if a car comes in off recovery, what actually happens? Just talk us through the process.
Like now, we'll take wheels off. We'll take batteries off. We'll make sure the boot catch is done so it doesn't shut. And then the wheels will then go over to Josh and Daz, which will then strip them. Josh, do you want to explain to them how you do tyres and what we do with good and bad tyres?
Yeah. Press that button there. So push the bead out. You keep going around. Yeah. Does it look something like that? Press that button there. That brings that down. Separates the bead from the wheel. Whoa. Oh, is that not doing that? There we go. Push down on that. Oh, this is the worst wheel. Oh. There we go. Like that.
I have a question for you, Josh.
Go on.
That was great work, that. But how many tyres do you do a day?
Well, so far I've probably done about 30.
30. Wow. And then what happens to them? What happens to the tyres next, Josh?
You get put in that basket and then they get weighed and scrapped.
So, Lee, what's the next part of the process?
Basically, then we resell the tyres to export, or if they're bad tyres, we'll then put them in the waste pile where somebody will come and collect them, so we can, dispose of our tyres correctly. And we also sell to the public as well, tyres.
Fantastic. So there's a lot of things going on here down at the Scrappers. We've got the Genuine Futures, We Shine Any Car. We've got young Josh on the tyres. You're doing some great work here as well. What else goes on in the yard? Can you take us round?
Yeah. Like today, I've reorganised some cars to get rid of some cars that will get stripped and goes to Gloria with John in the grab, and he gets rid of all our cars. Like this one, for instance, we'll have all the lights off, front lights, back lights, ABS pump, and then John will come along Griffith. And then we have Mo, which does all our engines. That's one of our exporters. There's Gloria the graft.
This is the queen of the yard. The queen of the yard, isn't it, Lee?
Yeah, the queen of the yard.
You know, everything gets crushed with her, isn't it?
Yeah.
She keeps the yard going, does Gloria. And
Keep
then
the
what?
yard clean.
So, Lee, would you recommend this job to anyone else?
I'd recommend it to a lot of people if you're into cars, you know, or you're into just taking things apart. I say it's a job for you.
Get in touch if you're interested. Message the scrappers. We're always looking for good, reliable, honest, hard-working staff to support the mission of recycling cars, recycling the lives of young people too. It's bye from me.
And bye from me.
Ciao for now.